Chilly start to our day, 36 degrees, fair skies this hour, winds out of the northwest, 7 miles an hour, the barometer 28/28 of an inch. The dew points dropped all the way down now to 34 degrees. Last hour's at 36, our temperature just above 36 degrees, temperature now down 2 degrees, and the dew point down 2 degrees. Part of that is we do have a dry air or dry wind moving in from the northwest this morning. That'll be continuing all day long. In fact, a weak cold front rolled in and continues to roll in over the course of the morning hours. 36 in Pittsburgh this hour, Denora 36, Washington at 35, Beaver Falls 37, and its Butler area 36 degrees this hour. Here's a look at radar. Couple of, you can see just a couple of, on the early frames there, a couple of greens coming in off of Lake Erie. That's because we have that front that's pushing down, coming in from the north, and that caused us to see a little bit of rain, a couple of sprinkles at least being possible late last night. Now, high temperature just at 49 degrees. Winds this afternoon out of the northwest at 10 to 15 miles an hour. And there's how I think your day is going to break down. Obviously, with us hitting a high of 49, no big warm up. We're only looking at about 10 to 15 degrees difference between the overnight low temperature and the afternoon high temperature. Here's what we're talking about. We have a upper atmosphere, that's an upper low, and it's pushing down, and you can see the leading edge right here pushing down a cold front that continues to move down to the south. That's where our cooler air is going to come from. Now today should be mainly dry. I did put in a 20% chance for rain right along I-80 just in case, but our rain chances, our next good rain chance at least, is going to come from what's happening in parts of Colorado this morning, New Mexico, and into Texas, where we have some moisture. That moisture will continue to move our way, but it'll start to run into this trough, this cool air that's going to be in place all the way up until the weekend. And what that means is we'll see some light rain shower chances coming in starting on Friday, especially south of I-70, and continuing over the course of the weekend. Now, most of Friday is looking dry, but Saturday we do have some weak, spotty showers that will be around throughout the course of the day. Don't forget also, if you're not a fan of, or if you're trying to just stay dry, if it's certainly wet all day long on Saturday, perfect time to get out and look at the leaf color changes that are going on across the states. Should be one of the best 2 weekends starting up this weekend and then the next one when it comes to viewing those leaves. There's your forecast. 49 your high today, 51 on Thursday, and a Friday high coming in 55 degrees. Not as warm, with some rain chances around Saturday and on Sunday.